I'm a lawyer and I came here with a clear mindset that I want to learn cities because I always want to learn how slums work and how cities are actually governed. So I joined this course with a clear expectations to learn how what is urbanization, what are urban governance, how religion, race, caste works, and how its relationship with urban crime. So I find this is the best place to come to learn all the things. Yeah, so it was fun. Like it's very contradictory. I mean, it's frustrating also and it's relaxing also. But as time passes, it's fun. It's colorful, I can say. The accommodation we are staying and all. Identity. It was taught by Gautam Bhan, and I have not. I have come from a scheduled caste background and know how we are very uncomfortable talking about caste. But in this class, with all the 30 people coming from a different background, and we were discussing caste, its issues, and it was very comfortable. It was very comfortable silence also, very comfortable discussion also. So it was the best class I have experienced. It starts with the commons where we learned six elements: economy, ecology, infrastructure, planning, identity, and on. And then come the practica where we have to apply all this. We come to a field with a different lens where we see integration of all this coming together. So it gives us very different perspective to look at field in that way. And then comes the elective. So elective is like a buffet. You have to choose whatever you want, whatever you like, what you love, and what is healthy for you. So in that way, it's structured very well. I took practice of economics, and then URD, urban and regional economic development, then climate change. So I came here with a very clear mindset कि whatever I'm learning, I have to engage that learning with my legal knowledge. So whatever I have chosen my electives for, so I knew that what I'm expecting from that elective that will help me applying my legal knowledge and I can do something. So these four electives are best suited for me and my interest. Being a lawyer, I have to be good in writing, and I was weak in that, so it has improved a lot now. So masterclass are planned in such a way that after theories, the person who is coming to give us masterclass has some relation with the topic. So yeah, so it helps us understand how it works in the ground. So in that way, masterclass is very helpful. We are 29 to 30 people, all coming from different background, different upbringing, different caste, different everything is very different. And then too, we are studying on one topic with all these different lenses. It helps a lot. I can say that whatever we are learning in class gives us 60 50, it's 50-50. 50% teaching us by faculty and we are learning another 50% from our group only, from peers only. So it's really very good. It's very I can say important after fellowship because what you are learning here for 9 months, you if you want to really check okay, how you can apply that outside the classroom, it's really important. So internship has to be there and it's really important. We all can see all the issues clearly now after lockdown or after pandemic, we can say. So it's really important to know how it is governed. All the problems of migrant workers or the problem of health, we are like clearly we can see all these problems, all the failure of governance, we can say. So this is the course which has best suited for it right now, I can say, because we are learning about cities, how it is governed, how it is planned, what are the policies are there, is there any gap between its implementation and policy. We have learned this in urban missions, so it's really have a very relevance right now. They are very supportive. I have never come across such a faculties in my entire life, I can say. They're very supportive, very responsive. You can even go to them with your personal problems and they will help you out. If no language barrier, nothing, just come here. If you are coming from a small town, or they will make more efforts to make you feel more inclusive in the class and all. So faculties are really helpful. If you don't have any thought in mind ki what this fellowship will give me, come here with a clean mind. This will throw you with different opportunities and different options. So come here.